Welcome to day number 14. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy. Today's Throwback Thursday, so I thought it would be fun to do a couple of magic tricks from my childhood. This is actually one of the sets that I had when I was a kid. Some of these tricks are better than others. For this next trick, I've got my empty container and abracadabra, an egg appears. Again, abracadabra, it disappears. And one more time, it's back.
I think they would figure that out.
Oh, really?
You have to be more like, you have to kind of make the same motion.
The same motion?
Yeah.
For this trick, I'm going to put the blue car in the blue compartment, the red in the red, the yellow in the yellow. Close up the doors. Show you that the red car is now in the blue, the yellow in the red, and the blue car is missing. Or is it? All right, I'm gonna put the blue car back in here. Shut the doors. And now the red car is missing from here because it has traded places with the blue car. I'm gonna put the red car back in here. Close this up and show you that the red car is back, the yellow car is here, and the blue car has returned to the yellow container.
Yeah! You did it!
Oh my goodness, that was it. Today's dad jokes are brought to you by Mr. Howard, a fellow dad at Hope Academy. When does a joke turn into a dad joke? When it becomes apparent. Did you hear about the old man who fell into a well? He didn't see that well. And what are the most common jokes told during this stay-at-home order? Inside jokes. Thank you, Mr. Howard, for those great jokes. Yesterday's riddle was, what belongs to you, but other people use it more than you do? It is your name. Today's riddle, a farmer had 10 sheep. All but 3 of them ran away. How many sheep does the farmer have left? Your encouragement for today is from the book of Romans, chapter 15, verse 4. For whatever was written in the former days was written for our instruction, that through endurance and through encouragement of the scriptures we might have hope. So God has given us His word, the Bible, so that we can have hope. It's full of stories, full of situation after situation where we can look back and see that God is in control and that God has a plan and a purpose for everything. And so when it says that we might have hope, we can have this hope through the encouragement in the scriptures. So I would encourage you to spend as much time as you can getting into God's word, drawing closer to Him through prayer during this time. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you again tomorrow.